Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. We've got Chris Alexander and Dustin Bayless with us from Hunters with a Mission, and they're here to tell us all about their mission. Gentlemen, welcome to the show. Thanks for waking up early with us. So tell me a little bit about what your mission is, and you've got something special coming up as well.
Yeah, so we have an event this Saturday in Independence at the Independence Nazarene Church at 6 o'clock. Hunters with the Mission. What it is a waterfowl hunting derby that we use to raise money for a Christian orphanage in India and ultimately lead people to the love that Jesus offers us. So teams will go out all across southeast Kansas, down into Oklahoma, Missouri. We have teams coming up from Louisiana to hunt in this duck hunt. Their birds will be scored according to species. We'll come in that evening, have a dinner, and just a really fun time. We've had so many generous sponsors that have just very generously made this possible. And that's how we raise money for this orphanage, is we raffle off a lot of awesome raffle items. And we've made an impact. We've made a real impact at Metropolitan Mission Orphanage in India.
Gotcha. And so this is also the 8th year for this as well.
Yes, 8th year. 2 years ago, or last year, we moved to a bigger venue. We've just been growing so much each year. And last year, we were able to raise almost $29,000 to go to this orphanage. So it's open to the public. What we try to tell everybody, it's free. Just come in, have a free meal, enjoy. We're going to have a speaker. Tony Thomas, who happens to be Phil Robertson's son-in-law, is going to speak for a little while and give us devotion. And then after we draw prizes, tickets for winners, which you can come and buy one ticket for $5. That's all it's going to cost you for the evening. Yep. And then the following day on Sunday morning, Phyllis Thomas Robertson, Phil Robertson's daughter, is going to speak at the Lone Cherry Church in Havana, Kansas. So we've got a big weekend ahead of us.
Yeah, certainly sounds like it. So a lot of excellent causes out there. What made you all pick this particular one to be the one you wanted to support?
So, you know, the American dollar has a lot of value in America, but in India it has a lot more value. So we wanted to get the biggest bang for our buck, and we wanted the most people to be exposed to Jesus. And we thought, well, we can raise a little bit of money and we can spend it here, or we can spend it in India and we can we can bring a lot of people to the love that Jesus offers. So that's why we went with an orphanage in India. Orphans need love more than any of us, you know. And it's a very receptive audience to the great news that Jesus offers us. So,
all right, an excellent cause. So real quick, for information, where do people need to go? What do they need to know?
Yeah, Hunters with Mission on Facebook. Basically, all our information's on that Facebook page. That's where you need to go, Hunters with Mission. It's just a group, and check it out for sure.
And then we want you, of course, to come to Independence, Kansas, 6 o'clock this Saturday. And like I said, have a free meal, have a good time, very family friendly.
All right, guys, thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thanks for having us.
Yep. And of course, we'll have all this information on our website as well at KOAMnewsnow.com. Be back with more right after this.